My name is P. Today I want to discuss Brachistochrone problem. Brachistochrone problem. I have already written this problem. This problem is called Brachistochrone problem. So friends, Brachistochrone problem was one of the earliest problem posed in the calculus of variation. This problem is concerned with finding. This problem is concerned with finding a plane curve that joins two points such that the time required, I mark it friends, time required for a particle falling under the gravity elongates from an upper point to the lower is a minimum. So friends, time should be minimum. I just mark out whatever is important in this case. Under gravity elongates from an upper. So friends, I think that I can clear that what is the main problem. The main problem is that this is the axis friends, Z, and this is X. This is Z and this is X. I just want to explain this is the origin. This is 2 points. One is P and then this point is Q. Now according to the point, joins 2 points. So friends, it should be joins. So I join these 2 points here. Whatever they say, this problem is concerned with finding a plane curve. I have to find out this plane curve. This plane curve I have to find out. Friends, I have to find out this plane curve. Plane curve 2 points such that the time required for particles falling under gravity along this from an upper point to the lower. So friends, a particle, this is the particle. This particle should be go upper point. This is the upper point, and it should be going, and the particle will come in here, and this is the total in here. So friends, this is the total. I just write this. This is the total height P and Q, a particle. So when time required is minimum, upper point to the lower point, upper point to the lower point, everything is saying according to the theory. So friends, I just explain everything with the mathematics, with the help of mathematics. So friends, whatever they say, the point is 2 point is in here, 2 point. Mark it. This 2 point are P and Q. These 2 points are P and Q, and time required. This time is called, I say, del T, and gravity is the former upper point to. Okay friends. So friends, I mark this. This is the S. This length is S, and small length is ds. I want to say small length is ds. I hope I clear it. I can clear these conceptions. Now, according to the laws of P is the total energy P. Total energy. Total energy P means half mv square. Half mv square means kinetic energy. Total energy means kinetic energy plus potential energy. I hope I clear it friends. Kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy means half mv square plus PE. PE I say, suppose it is J and suppose it is ZF. So PE means mgz. PE means mgz. So friends, total energy Q is equal to KE plus PE. KE is equal to, suppose in the point in here the particle velocity is V and J, height is J, and in here particle velocity is VA, I think it is VA, okay, VA if I write, no problem, and VA, and this is the ZF, means ZF is the height is ZF, and this height is Z. I hope I clear, friends. And now it is the a half m v square f plus mg jf. That is the problem. The half mv square, half mv square plus mg z must remember, and half mv square f plus mg jf. So friends, I hope that you will write everything, and just I now I want to remove this, because I need to remove, because I have to write. So friends, I hope you write. So I just remove. You will write it, friends. Write it. Now the laws of conservation of energy. Laws of conservation of energy. So friends, laws of the conservation of energy means total energy is always equal. So friends, I can say half mv square plus half mv square plus half mg gz is equal to half m v square f plus mg zf. So friends, whatever you will see that v square is equal to v square f plus zf minus j into g 2g. So friends, I hope that it is clear. V square f plus 2zf minus j. So friends, I get this equation. Now I move to this, because whatever I am doing according to the concept. What is the concept? This is the theory. I just work it mathematical theory. So friends, v square is equal to v square f plus 2 into zf minus j into g. After that, friends, whatever you see, we know that v is equal to, in here in case v is equal to ds by dt, v is equal to ds by dt, well known. So friends, v is equal to root over v square f plus 2 into zf minus j into g, and ds by dt, so friends, whatever I will see, you will see that dt is equal to, whatever you get, dt is equal to ds divided by root over v square f into 2 zf minus j into g. This is the formula, friends. So friends, I think that you will write this formula. I just remove this formula, okay? I hope you will write everything. I go in here. So friends, whatever you see that dt is equal to ds divided by root over v square f plus 2g zf minus j and now t is equal to whatever you get, t is equal to I get ds means in here ds is equal to root over dx square plus dz square. Okay, dx square plus dz square. So friends, I can write it in terms of dz. So this value should be 1 plus dx by dz whole square divided by root over d square f plus 2g into zf minus j. I hope that I can clear, and now it is dj. It is dj. So friends, the Brach-Stabile problem dt equal to you get, and now I will go again dx by dj is equal to x dash. So friends, I remove this. I hope it is clear for you have written this formula. So I get t is equal to, in here the point is p and p to q. So I write it is point p to q. So friends, t is equal to whatever I will get, z to z0, z to zf, and root over 1 plus x dash whole square divided by root over d square f plus 2g into zf minus j. You will get, and it is dz. This formula is dz. T is equal to this formula. And now I will go it again. So friends, a is equal to whatever my factor is a. A is equal to root over 1 plus x dash whole square divided by root over d square f plus 2g into zf minus j. Now, whatever is according to the Lagrange's theorem, they told that del into z0 to z1 root over 1 plus x dash whole square into root over d square f plus 2g into zf minus j into dj equals to 0. This is the del L. Means del L is equal to 0. Whatever, because the theory, the 0 means this it is called this is the 0 because this is called del into z0 z to zf L into dz. As Brach-Stabile path of minimum time, because friends, in the previous when I discussed the formula, then I must write that Brach-Stabile path of minimum time. Brach-Stabile is path of minimum time. Okay. So friends, we have learned that Brach-Stabile is the path of the minimum time. Now I just I hope friends you have already written everything. Now I just move this portion. Del into z0 into zf p2 have L dz equals to 0, means it shows del by del z into del L by del y minus del L by del y equals to 0 friends. I hope that it is clear. I hope it is clear friends. And this is the main problem, that this is the in here in the y means in case of x dash. In the y means in case of Lagrange's, it is the x dash, because our variable is x dash. This is the x dash. So friends, whatever you see, you will see that x dash means this is the my total friends, and this is that implies del L by del x dash is equal to constant term. This is implies del L by del x dash is equal to c term, it's complex term. So friends, I just derivative this portion. This portion should be derivative differentiate with respect to x dash. So friends, whatever I get, I remove this portion. Del L by del x dash is equal to whatever you see 1 to the power 1 plus x dash whole square to the power half, okay, and another factor that it should be in here x dash, not x dash whole square, it should be x dash. So friends, you see that it is the x dash. When I just differentiate these portions, and after that whatever I will get this portion root over v square a plus 2g into zf minus zc is equal to capital constant term c. I hope I clear friends. And now I remove this. This is the just simple calculations. Actually, mathematics and physics both are equal, but physics is not exist if it cannot be expressed with mathematics. So this is the main matter. This is the theory. We know the branch system problem is one kind of theory, but it should express by mathematics. Mathematics help, physics problem help. So friends, whatever you can get, x dash whole square 1 plus x dash whole square into root over v square f plus 2g into zf minus zc is equal to c square friends, and c square means root should be removed. I remove root. This portion is this. This is the remove. I remove these portions. So friends, whatever I get 1 plus x dash whole square into x dash whole square is equal to c square 1 by c square into v square f plus 2g into zf minus zc. And after that, whatever you see that 1 by x dash whole square is equal to 1 minus 1 by c square into v square f into 2g into zf minus zc. Suppose for c is j. This is j. So friends, again I have to I just remove this portion, because as this problem is very large. So but interesting, that's why I am working. X dash whole square is equal to sorry friends, this is not 1 minus 1, it is 1 and 1 should be in here. So the problem should be c square into v square f plus 2g into zf minus j 1 minus b square f plus 2g into zf minus j. This is the total formula, friends. And now whatever you will see that x dash means dx by dz. You see that x dash means dx by dz, because I have already written this portion. Dx by dz equals to c root over b square f into d into zf minus j, and 1 minus b square f plus 2d into zf minus j. This is the total formula will come, friends, with the coming, friends. Next, friends, whatever I have to find out x value. So friends, it can be written. You will see that it is the my total fundamental, and dx by dz can be written root over b minus whatever b minus j and c minus j. In here, according to the comparisons, what is the b and c? B and c value? It is the a plus j, I write a plus j. So friends, what is the b value? B minus j. B means, in here, b means c square into b square f plus 2g zf, and if I will remove this, that it can be written in this way: b square f divided by 2g. Okay, this is the b, and a equals to, what is the meaning of the a, friends? A means 1 minus b square f plus minus 2g zf divided by 2g. Okay, I think that I can clear this. The c square also multiply, so it is 2g c square, and in here it is c square into c square. So friends, again we will see that it is the total formula of the b and c. I just explained, friends. Now you see that it is fact, and after that I just remove this portion, whatever I get dx by dj equals to this portion. So friends, dx by dj equal to root over b minus j into a plus j. So friends, the rule of the integrations, friends, whatever you know that j equals to minus a minus b divided by 2 minus a plus b divided by 2 cos theta. This is the formula of the j. So friends, I just putting the value in here. So whatever I get, dx is equal to dx by dj is equal to, I get dx by dj, and I just write in this way. I just write integration of dx is equal to root over b minus j into a plus j into dA equals to integration. Whatever you will get root over 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta into a plus b divide by 2. A plus b divide by 2 sin theta into d theta. Sin theta into d theta. So friends, this is the total formula, and after that I just remove this question. Must remember b and a value, whatever I get, you will write everything, and after that x is equal to whatever I get, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta means cot theta. Cot theta by 2, because root over 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to root over 2 cos square theta by 2 and 2 sin square theta by 2. So friends, it will become cot theta by 2. And another factor is a plus b divided by 2, and sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Just remove this friends, whatever I get a plus b, also you will write, you can write. So I get a plus b divided by 2, my integrations, and cos theta by 2, cot theta by 2, cos theta by sin theta by 2 also cut. So I get 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2 into d theta, okay. After that I get, suppose the formula is 0 to theta, and after that I get a plus b divided by 2, when 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to 0 to theta, means it should be 1 plus cos theta d theta 0 to theta, and after that it can be this way, a plus b divided by 2 into theta plus sin theta. This is my total, a plus b divided by 2 theta plus sin theta. So friends, this is the total Bhatt-Staplin problem. I just solved it mathematically. If any wrong, any things must tell me, any inquiry, also ask in my comment section.